Morning, everybody. Just got out here. I'm doing the checks in reverse order because I wanted to check these cat sets first. That one over there that I showed you with the tinsel and everything, flagging, is dug up and the sheep's wool's been pulled out of the hole, so I'm gonna have to redo that. I get over to this other one and got us a coon in this one. It don't look like it's a real big one. Caught by the back foot. Duke number 2, square jaw. This trap was set off yesterday and nothing in it, and I'm kind of wondering if it wasn't a raccoon that pulled out with them offset jaws. But well, we'll get this remade and then I'll go over there and redo that cat set. So at least it's a catch. Like I said, it's very first farm. I want to check this one first. Hopefully I have a cat, but no cat today. So this sets right on a really nice trail coming through this fence row and goes up along this fence row here, and then there's a corner here, and like I said, I got a cat set up there, and we had a cat on trail camera up there, so I put one up there, put one in the corner, one here, hopefully to get him traveling back through here. So stay tuned. All right, good morning, everybody. I don't like checking traps in the dark. I hate it because I feel like I'm running animals off of sets. But I got out here at 5 o'clock this morning. They're calling for rain. It was supposed to start at 7. No, it started as soon as I left the driveway. So I went to my furthest traps that were in bean fields and stuff that I drove out to them and set them all off. I'm on this farm here. It's not terrible yet. It's supposed to be 50 degrees today, but this cornfield, it's not going to tear it up. But get to this set. We've caught a coon here before. It's a blind set on this culvert. So yeah, got us a nice coon at least. I still got a few more traps to check on this farm yet, and then go to a couple other farms. But I set all the ones off that I couldn't drive to, because there's a bunch of them that I got, like these I can drive to even if it gets too muddy, but there's some other ones that are up grass lanes that I can leave and still check them. But we're gonna be shut down for a while, I'm pretty sure. Probably over half my traps I had just set off. So, and then in about 4 days it's supposed to get back down to 30. So we'll see what we can do with that. Try to get out a big line. After that it's supposed to get cold and hopefully stay cold. Man, this sucks. This sucks. So we'll see what we got in the next traps. Thanks for watching. All right, good morning, everybody. We're back out here. Got us another coyote. Awesome. First one on this farm. I've been waiting. I don't know why it took so long, but it's a pretty coyote too. Nice and pretty coyote. He ain't too damn muddy. I just want to show you something. I got that set there, and I got another one over here. We'll see how this one looks. Yeah, looks like he might have been here, dug at it. Something dug at it. Well, if that's him, then good. I just want to show you the power of wax dirt. I mean, these traps, I mean, it rained all day yesterday. I set off half my line 2 days ago, and it rained all day, and then it's been so muddy. I mean, you can see my tracks coming up through there. It's just, there we go, I'll zoom in. I mean, everywhere I go, I pretty much only got traps that I can drive these grass or driveways or whatever. So, but that just goes to show you the power of the waxed dirt, you know. I mean, I knew the traps would still work, so they got like a trail coming down there. I don't know where he came from, but I caught in this location before. I've caught, Jesus, I don't know how many coyotes down here. That's why I put 2 sets, but he's got a real deep catch in that Duke 550. Man, it's like every time. I mean, his toes are curled. I mean, he is so deep committed into that trap. I'm just happy to have another one. You know, it's been slow, but that's, you know, you get those kind of times on coyote trapping. But I'm glad I finally caught one down here, because it seemed like a couple years ago, every time I caught one, once I did the remake, it was like bam, bam, bam. You know, it was just like one after another. So, and that's usually what happens. But we'll see. I believe actually in this one, my friend Midwestern Trapper gave me some bait and lure when I met him at the Illinois convention. I had his bait in this one for sure. So thank you very much, Midwestern Trapper. I appreciate the help and support. So and I got another bait I just got from Dan Davis I'm gonna try out too. But you know, I mean, I support North American Trapper and promote his products, but you know, I use what works. So I've been having really good success with his bait pile, I'll tell you that. But so I do use other baits and lures, I'm not gonna lie about that. So just wanted you to know that. So go check out Midwestern Trapper too, you know, for sure. I'll put his link in the description of this video. He caught over 50 coyotes last year, I think, or right at 50. He's a hell of a trapper, I'll tell you. So we get this guy taken care of. This is for his farm, so I mean, I only got 2 farms right now, basically, because I set off about half the line, I guess I said. But we'll get him taken care of and get this remade. All right, I'm going to show you the remake here. Just piled up all that grass that he had dug up. I did have a rock for backing for this one, but I took it with me. I'm going to use that somewhere else, but didn't need it here now. But I believe with the eye appeal and the smell that's here, there's no way I'll never catch another coyote here. I hoping for a double. I put scat right there, traps right there, so step over that scat. They will not step on scat, so he'll step right next to that, be caught. Perfect, I like it. I came over here then and fixed this one up. It really wasn't dug at bad, but it was right on the edge. There is a track right there, I think. I don't know, but I just freshened that all up and we're good to go. Man, I'd love to come down here and see a double. I almost had that happen one year. There was snow on the ground and I could see down here. I seen 2 coyotes and I started pulling down here. One was in one set, the other one was working the other set, I guess probably his mate hanging out. And I started driving down here and that one started running across this field and then it just stayed out there. So I backed out of here. I left, went and checked the other traps, hoping he would come back and get caught, but never did. But I think I did catch it the next day, so, or I caught another one the next day anyway, if it was that one or not. But just, I'd really love to come down here, like I said, and see a double once. But we'll keep checking. Thanks for watching. All right, everybody, just get to the last trap on this farm. I just caught that other coyote on the other farm, and I don't know if I screwed up or not, but I set this trap off the other day because it was so muddy and I couldn't drive down here. And then I get here today, I figured I'd chance it and try to get it reset. I don't really see any tracks around the set, but I come over here to this field and I don't know if I missed one or not. There's tracks all through here, all out here. Looks like he dug at something right here. I don't know what he would have been digging at. He did dig at something right here. There's a rock there. Maybe I should put a set in there. But yeah, there's tracks right here. Hope I didn't screw up. Here's a hole here where something was digging. Man, that's pretty old. But yeah, kind of makes me rethink, you know, setting traps off. But there was no way I could get back here. Barely got back here today, but it's actually dried up quite a bit. So we'll get this reset. God, it pisses me off. Hope I didn't miss one, but I do think I'm going to put another set there. This set's already caught 2 coyotes too. That's why I was really wanting to get this one back in running order, because it's just too good a spot not to be set. So I think I'm going to reset this one and then go over there where he was digging and put a set there too. Can't do any harm. So, and I wanted to say, got these new knee pads yesterday for Christmas, and I just did that remake back there on the on that last coyote, and man, I never thought I'd wear knee pads, but these really do feel good and really help my knees, man. That hard ground when it's froze really hurts my knees. So thanks for the knee pads, Monica, appreciate it. So we'll get these remade, or get this one reset and make a set over there and get home. You know, like I said, this is the last spot, so get this video out to you. Really appreciate all the watching and all the support. It's been great. So until the next video, good luck with everything.